Now, for those of you that are not good in typing and you would like to learn how to type and become very fast in typing within 2 weeks, in this video, I'm going to solve that for you. I'm going to share a platform that I've been using for the past just 10 days now, and my typing skill has actually improved. And I'm going to try to type in this particular video so that I can show you guys how good I am in typing. Now, this platform is actually, you're actually playing a game. You understand? While you're playing a game, you're learning how to type. Is fun when you're using this platform because what you're actually doing is playing a game. You're not actually, yeah, you're typing quite well, but what you're actually doing is playing a game. And while you're playing a game, playing this game on this platform, you are improving your typing skills automatically. All right. I'm going to share these platforms with you guys, and I'm going to play around and show you guys how it works. Now, let's go over to this platform. The name of this platform is zty.pe. Okay, this is the platform. Click on enter. Okay. So once you get to this platform, let's go over to new game. Okay. You can actually load your own text, whatever you want to be typing. Okay. Then you can check your status as well while you're typing. Okay. After like 2-3 days, you can now check your status to know how good you're becoming. All right. And also go to setting and do some adjustments, sound and your music and all that. But I am not going to go through that. I just want to dive into this platform in new game. Okay, so this is it. You'll be typing all this rope. Okay, rope, sports. Now another one will appear. Okay, you'll be typing these words that are falling down. Opened, habits, proper. You can see, and it will be scoring you. So, habits. Okay, king. So you can see X, SG, Hog, LE, Finger, Hint. Okay, you guys can see, after playing the first game, so now bring out the second one. This is actually fun. Soon. Map. This. Oh wow. So I was not just actually paying attention. I just want to share with you guys that if you use this platform, which is zty.pe, if you use it for 2 weeks, at least every day, make sure you play around with this platform for like 2-3 hours. You will automatically see, once you go to status, you will see that your typing skill will gradually be increasing. By the time you use it constantly every day for 14 or 15 days, you will turn to a typewriter. I am not joking. You will become very, very good in typing that you might not even be looking at your keyboard while you're typing. All right. So this is actually what I want to share with you guys. For those of you that would like to learn how to type, become very, very fast in typing. Not just type. You want to become very, very fast in typing. While you're typing, you don't want to be looking at your keyboard. This is a platform that will help you do that, because by the time you play around for like 2-3 days, you will start not looking at your keyboard, and you start typing without looking at your keyboard. So that is it. And if you're watching my video, first of all, if you feel this video was helpful, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you're watching my video for the first time, my name is Asuken Kingsley, and on this channel I give you tips and solutions on how to make money online and other relevant tips that helps in a daily online space. But during the weekend, I make sure I give you updates new games and app in the virtual reality space. So if you wouldn't want to miss any of my video, make sure you hit the subscription button and make sure you turn on the notification button so that you'll be the first to know once I upload a new video. I will see you guys in my next video. Like always, you guys should stay creative and remain blessed.